Okay, children. First adjustment we have worked out. Second we will work out later. Then the third one. In third one also they have given that brings goodwill. Okay. So goodwill entry we will write. First I will write here by balance brought down. By balance brought down. And your balance is how much? 64. 64 and 32. 64 and 32. Okay, Arpita does not bring any capital. Then this is balance brought down. Then the next we will give goodwill entry, that is premium goodwill, which we have worked out. So by premium goodwill, what was the share of goodwill here? 7,500 and 15,000. Okay, and goodwill brought in cash. So cash to premium goodwill first entry. So here you will write first to balance brought down. And how much is in the balance sheet? 26,400. 26,400. And then to premium goodwill. How much premium goodwill he brings? 22,500. 22,500. Okay, so this is your second one. Now the next one is depreciation 10%. So fixed assets. Depreciation means asset reduces. So which are the assets, children, which are reduced? Machine and furniture. So right here, 2 machine and 2 furniture. 10%. So 10% will be 6,400 and 4,000. And second effect where? Here in the balance sheet, write down machine 64,000 minus that is decrease 6,400. Outside, what you will get? 57,600. Furniture is 40 minus decrease 4 means 36. Okay, दो entry. चलो next. Now next is all debtors are good. This you will tick mark. This you will tick mark. All debtors are good मतलब BDR is not required. मतलब BDR to be write off 0. So it will be 32. This is very important. Not needed. Bad debts reserve, in other words, not needed. So what you have to write off. Provision don't want 0. We don't want provision. So I have put star here. Also you will put, because up till now we have increased only and we write here. But BDR not required. So you will put 32 there. Second effect, debtors. Not required matlab full 40 out. How much is the debtors? No need to subtract 40,000. Direct. This. Put a star. Here you need little revision during exam time. You have to look for. Okay. Then next. Next is all debtors are good. Premium, insurance premium is prepaid. So you all of you know prepaid expense. So here by insurance premium prepaid. How much? 24. Okay. Second effect, balance sheet. Speed also you should have. In the exam mein only one question you will able to do. Prepaid. How much? 24. Chalo. Anything now left in your revaluation account? No. So do the total. 10,400. Here minus, so loss. By loss. And you will give in the old ratio. So by loss 2:1. By loss 2:1. So give 4,800. Total 10,400. So what is your distribution, children, here? Ankita and Isha 32 Ankita is 32 and Isha is 16. Okay, so you will get 48. ठीक है. This one where this is credit side, so where debit side. 2 revaluation loss. Come on, fast now. You are expert now. You don't have to think. Okay, any other adjustments are left? No. Now what to do? Where to look? On the liability side. देखो, liability side what is given? General reserve. So, flip now. By GR. चलो, old ratio. By general reserve, old ratio. How much? 11,200 and 5,600. Any other thing is given on the liability side which you have to give to the old partners? No. Creditors and bills payable. Balance sheet. After leaving 4 lines, creditors. Half balance sheet is very easy, just to copy on each other. Creditors. Creditors are 60. Bills payable 8. Okay? Capital liability side. Now where you have to look on the asset side. So asset side देखो. Asset side, goodwill, no. Machinery, furniture, stock. Stock you have to write. Write stock. Stock as it is. Nothing is given to be revaluated. 13,600. Stock. Debtors we have written. Now cash. So cash account total. Nothing is given this side. But here one A's still is left. A's capital we have to find out. So A's capital here, please see now. This is over. Now this is also over. Now you have to do the total. And then find out the balance carried forward to capital. Now in this sum they have said कि भाई where to take the difference amount, nothing is said. So we will put in the cash account. Okay, so let us see now how much, whether they are going to bring cash or withdraw cash. In the last adjustment they have not said anything. They have only said that Arpita is to bring proportionate capital. Okay, so let us do the total now, children. Ankita's total you do. Ankita's total. $82,700 and Isha's 52,600. Okay, Isha's is 52,600. Now minus revaluation loss. Minus this revaluation loss. So you will get here by balance carried forward. 82,700 minus 3,200 and 52,600 minus 16. So you will get here 79,500 and 51,100. This is the capital of this two. Now Arpita will bring capital proportionate to this. So we will work out this way. We'll work out this way. I'll do the total both the side first. Okay. Now last adjustment C. No, second adjustment. Adjustment number 2. Arpita will bring proportionate capital. Okay, 1/4. 1/4. Okay. Now children, I will write here. Balance carried forward of Ankita and Isha is equal to 79,500 plus 51,000. So 1,30,500. 1,30,500. So now children, proportionate capital means this is 1/4 she will bring. So what is the share of this? 3/4. 3/4. How children this is? See 1 minus 1/4. So this is how much capital? 3/4. So if 3/4 capital is equal to 1,30,500. So 1/4 how much? Let's see. 1/4 will be how much? So multiply 1/4 multiply by 1,30,500 multiply by 4/3. Okay, so work out this. How much you will get with this working? You will get 43,500. You will get 43,500. So that is equal to 40 rupees, 43,500. This is what? Arpita's capital. This is new point here. Proportionate. Arpita's capital. Essay. Okay. Now, Arpita's capital, if you write here also will do. If you don't write and write direct in the capital balance sheet also will do as capital. Ankita's, Isha's and Arpita's, which we have found out. 43,000. Total 14. What will be the total of capital here? 1,74,000. 1,74,000. So proportionate capital means after finding out the balance carried forward of two old partners, you have to add that. And after adding the capital of the old partners, the share of new partner will be how much? So from 1 you will minus 1/4, so that will be remaining. So remaining means 3/4. So 3/4 capital is the total of balance carried forward, this two. Then what is the third one? Capital. So the third one capital you will put down this way. If 3/4 is this much, so 1/4 how much? So you will get 43,500. So this is your sum. We will do the total, and this cash children you will write here and brought cash. So this here it will be to Arpita's. Please put star here also. Arpita's capital. This you have found out 43,500. 43,500. This. So total of cash is 92,400. And either balance carried forward by balance carried. Either when it is withdrawn, no, that time only you will get entry this side. Otherwise you will not get entry this side. When goodwill cash is withdrawn, that time you will get here. Otherwise you will not get here anything. And this you will write back in the balance sheet assets. 92,400. Okay, so total children of the balance sheet just work out 2,42,000. And here also 2,42,000. Okay, 2,42,000. So this is the sum. The sum was very easy. Only two new points. Proportionate capital. I have worked out. I think you can see clearly. Yes, proportionate capital. Okay, so that You will write in the balance sheet capital. No need to write here. Even if you write here you will write carry forward, then you will write here. Okay. No problem. Okay. So, cash. Okay. If you write your cash here, then carry it forward, then we'll do. But direct also we can write. So this is revaluation account. In revaluation account, BDR point is important, not required BDR. All debtors are good. So good means old wala, right of fund. Then this is okay. Simple, nothing to be explained. This, okay. Here it is reduced. Only cash is 92,400. Proportional cap. Okay, I think all of you have followed. Any doubts, we'll keep ready. We will explain you in Zoom class Saturday. This is okay? Yes. You will write in your class workbook. And also work out in class workbook and illustration.